Hi, my name is Carlton Balidawa. I'm a queer man from Uganda. I am 31 years old and a half, 31 and a half. I've been living in the United States since 2014. I arrived here October. I was from a terrible marriage, and it's difficult, changing life, because me seeking asylum here, I came here for Hollywood America, and it's not what I found. Like the America that I knew was not there. So I had to, get my ropes up to find my level ground. I needed to find people like me, and I ended up in Worcester, the LGBT Asylum Task Force, where I met where a lady called Pastor Judy Hanlin took me in for housing, food, security, health, everything that you can't easily access once you're new in this country. And alas, in no time, I needed to have a lawyer to file for my asylum, and I met Melanie and we connected. I'm not going to say, she did the ultimate best for me. It took, I got my asylum last year, that's 2019 in October. And that time period, she was always there. She was like, we need to have this, we need to get this, When you're ready, we shall go. And when I was ready, I requested for a shortlist, and it happened. And yeah, luckily I needed only one interview. So if I would do it all over again, it would be Melanie, how I term her, she's a lawyer, yes, but she becomes your friend first. So you find that comfort and safety, and confidence that, she can handle my case, she can handle my situation. How was the first time I heard about Melanie? The first time, truthfully speaking, I was like anyone who comes, because I was desperate. And the fact that it was a cold winter day, she came to Worcester. She came to see me in Worcester. Then she invited me to her office. By that time, she was still in Dedham. And when she invited me to her office, in a matter of minutes, she had applied for my asylum. We did everything in seconds. That's how fast she was. I call myself the millennial that emails. I call, yes, but I sent frequent emails, and she replies them ASAP. That's the thing that I said, that she gives you all the security, and like once you feel secure and confident enough, everything becomes easy. The thing I most like about Melanie's office is that she has remained a friend. I can count on her for anything legal, and it's where my story began. Yeah, my story hasn't yet ended, but with Melanie, it's where my story in America began. Because you can't work without papers. And we coming from Africa, we know nothing about the whole system. Because when people come from anywhere else, when they come to our home country, everything is easy, like getting jobs, but coming here, you have to go through so many things. And one thing I am thankful for is that through all those so many things, Melanie made it easy. I finished my process. I'm making a year since I received asylum in October, and I'm here today because I'm filing for my green card. The feeling was not as great as me finishing the interview, because I really wanted to get over with it, like with the whole, deportation. And I like, before you go for your interview, you're in a lot of paranoia, because you do not know whether they're going to send you back to where you came from, which is a huge possibility. So through the years, that's one thing I wanted to get over with. I just wanted to be like, what? I know I'm here, but I want to be here to stay. And the fact that, it's tough. It's tough being away from home, but I am happy that Melanie helped me settle in. Oh, you were asking about how it felt. The interview was long. My interview was long, but I could not wait to get over with it. And like I said, Melanie gave me the confidence to be like, you can do this. And before even we went in, she was like, you have already aced it. I'm bright, yes, thankfully. But yeah, it was so, like, I believe in trust. Like, once you trust someone and they keep their end of the bargain, that's unrepayable. Like, there is no amount of love I can pay Melanie, apart from a lot of thank yous. And because it's tough explaining to a person, your whole life story, and it is not really about making them believe, but it went well. And the day I received my asylum, she called me. I think I fainted a little. But yeah, it has been a good journey. All I have to say is that if you're looking for good legal and asylum, seek Melanie Shapiro.